Okay, so once you've gone ahead and downloaded InDesign, you can go ahead and launch it. This is that cool startup you get before. So once it finally launches after 4 eternities, if you're using a desktop or a computer with low RAM, this is what your first image looks like, and this is what you see. So you want to go ahead and click create new. Now in this you will find this window which has a few of the layouts which are pre-selected, and some of them are custom because I make a lot of these. So first of all, you have to create a layout which matches your dimensions. Now, over here you see that the units are pikas. Now, pikas are a different type of unit which are slightly confusing to use, so we will stick to millimeters. Now you can see that there's a width and there's a height. This is the width and height in millimeters. Now, actually, we want to work with A4, so I'm going to click that. As you can see, it goes back to pica, so let's change it back to millimeters. And now we're going to add 5 millimeters to each side. So we're going to just add 5 to each dimension, and this 5 millimeters is called the bleed. Trust me, it's extremely important to have, and you'll just avoid a lot of trouble down at the printers if you don't if you add this bleed right now. Um, there's another bleed and slug option down over here, and this is the actual way to add bleed to your magazine. So we're gonna add 5 mm everywhere so that you can see what we mean by bleed more clearly. But typically you should have just put 5 mm over here, but our printers like recommend and really suggest that we add 5 mm over here, so we've gone ahead and done that. So once you've done this, you can go ahead and click create. So this is what the initial landing page looks like. You have a few swatches on your right hand panel, a few tools on your left, as you can see over here, and you have workstation right in the center. Now you will first off notice that there is a red line that's bordering everything. Now, remember when we added bleed? Now, everything inside this red line, that is the white line which starts within over here, that is exactly what we're going to use to design the magazine. Anything outside which touches the red line, well, that's going to be cut off by the printers.